So today I'm removing all this junk. I already got the panels off. Got to start removing the wiring, cleaning all this up, removing the seat belts, speakers, carpet. Got to remove the dash, everything that's not going to be painted, and then removing the sound deadening. So that'll be another day's project because I got to go get dry ice for that. But yeah, just a little quick update. So here's the aftermath. I got the carpet out. I got all the little bolts, seat belts, all that. Cleaned it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in here and vacuum in a second. And after that, start working on the sound deadening. Gonna be a bitch, I can already tell. I'm also gonna be removing these brackets right here because, you know, I don't need rear passengers. You know, I don't have friends. Just kidding. Yeah, remove that one, and that one. Make it all look nice. Close all these little holes. Everything we're not using, make it look nice. Yeah. So I got it all vacuumed out, you know, looks a little bit better than before, you know. I got my extra tire here, still waiting for my spare Desmond wheel to come all the way from Japan, from ICB Motorsports. You know, they do take a long time to get here, so just being patient about it. So just waiting for my friend Jake to come pick up the stuff. He wanted it, so I was like, just take it. He's helped me a few times, you know, helped me with Honda, so you know how it is around here. We help each other out. Just gonna vacuum the carpet. It's a right-hand drive carpet, so try to keep it clean, maybe respraying it. But other than that, that's it for today. It's getting a little dark, you can see. So next would be removing the sound deadening, removing the dash. I was too lazy to do that. I'm sure only a few more bolts and get that out of the way, but other than that, till next time, peace. One last thing, don't forget to follow me on my social media at Lucifer_DC2. That is my Instagram. I usually post stuff for sale on there too, so keep up with all that. Till next time, peace.